Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 Tata Sumo marks the return of an iconic SUV that once ruled Indian roads. Known for its rugged build and practicality, the latest iteration brings a modern twist to the legendary vehicle, combining its legacy of toughness with contemporary design and technology. Tata Motors has reintroduced the Sumo to cater to both urban and rural consumers, offering a balance of reliability, comfort, and performance. At first glance, the new Sumo carries a more aggressive and muscular stance. The bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted body lines give it a modern appeal while retaining its original boxy charm. The high ground clearance and sturdy chassis make it a perfect choice for off-road adventures as well as daily commuting in challenging terrains. Designed to be a practical workhorse, it is available in multiple seating configurations, making it suitable for large families, fleet operators, and commercial users. Under the hood, the 2025 Tata Sumo is expected to house a powerful yet fuel-efficient diesel engine, possibly a 2.2 liters turbocharged unit that delivers a perfect blend of power and economy. Tata has also focused on making it compliant with the latest emission norms while ensuring it maintains its trademark durability. A refined suspension system ensures a comfortable ride, whether on highways or rugged countryside roads. Additionally, the SUV is rumored to come with an optional all-wheel drive variant for adventure seekers who require extra traction and control. Inside the cabin, Tata Motors has made significant improvements to enhance comfort and convenience. The dashboard features a modern infotainment system with a large touch screen, smartphone connectivity, and voice controls. The cabin is designed to provide ample space with comfortable seating and improved ergonomics. Practicality remains a key focus, with plenty of storage spaces, durable materials, and easy-to-maintain interiors. Safety has also been prioritized with features like multiple airbags, ABS, electronic stability control, and hill assist, ensuring peace of mind for passengers. Tata Motors has always been known for offering value-for-money vehicles, and the 2025 Sumo is no exception. With competitive pricing, it stands as an attractive option against rivals in the SUV and MPV segments. Whether for personal use, business needs, or adventure travel, the new Sumo brings a blend of tradition and modernity that is hard to ignore. The brand's commitment to sustainability and innovation ensures that this iteration of the Sumo will not only be powerful and durable but also meet the evolving needs of Indian consumers. As Tata Motors continues to evolve with changing automotive trends, the return of the Sumo is a statement of its dedication to rugged and reliable vehicles. With its rich history and modern enhancements, the 2025 Tata Sumo is poised to reclaim its position as a dependable and versatile SUV that suits the needs of a wide range of buyers.